Guys, I'm so excited about this video because we get to go out to the boat and see how we can bring this gifted 90s yacht into the current century. So remember in the last video, I shared how a generous farmer unexpectedly gifted my husband a yacht straight out of the early 90s that he hadn't used in years. It was like the ultimate surprise. This one is a little bit special. So my husband's gonna tell you about the engines and you guys let me know what you think.
All right. There's another engine compartment too, but these are the 350 horsepower 454 Crusader big blocks. And we just replaced all the hoses on these, only 200 hours, and these things start right up like new.
So I need some advice, guys. How should we update the interior? I was thinking to replace this whole striped situation with some sort of like pale gray leatherette PVC vinyl. So just to kind of like modernize it a little bit, but I don't want it to get dirty easily. So it would be like a gray color, but a little bit lighter. This thing turns out to a bed. So they'd have to like, it couldn't be one piece. It'd have to be different pieces that they reupholster. And then this table, I would love to do something as well, like replace this burgundy melamine with like a white or a cream melamine. I would like to do that for all the surfaces that look like this. Another thing I would like to do is replace the floor so that it matches the kitchen floor. Remove this carpet, but if we don't have the money to remove the carpet, we can always just clean it up with some spray. So right here, this countertop, I would love to replace again with the white, just to like carry it through. And this countertop as well. I mean, this is like great storage, but it would be cool if they could just replace this little color. And then here, this would probably be the cheapest upgrade because what we're gonna do, we're gonna get custom bedding for right here. Well, really just custom fitted sheet for this V-berth and that bed in there. And then when you stand back here, you'll just get like a whole cohesive look with the white fitted sheet. Just these colors really date it even more. So when I stand up top, I think this chair is fine. Maybe this could be replaced. I think it just slips up. This little banquette seems fine. So I think mostly the cabin are the little upgrades we need to do. Before we reach out to the canvas shop, we have to have a few other housekeeping items done.
Yeah, they're gonna pull it out. They're gonna check the hole, scrape off any clams. There's a lot of clams in the Delta. And so they're gonna scrape off all the clams, check the props on the bottom, make sure that they're straight. There's no mechanical issues with that. And then they're gonna paint it and prime it so the clams, you know, they won't want to come on with the freshly painted bottom hole. So that'll happen next week. It'll probably take them like 3 days.
Okay, guys, let me know in the comments if you think these upgrades are important or if they are a complete waste of money. So sound off in the comments how much you think each one of these items will cost. Do you think we need to change anything on the boat? Billy, do you think we need to replace anything on the boat or it's perfect?
No, it's perfect.